Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Kusoo dhawaada language call hadalkiisa. My name is Macalin Weheliye and you all know me very well. Si wanaagsan aad ii garanaysiin. Maanta maxaan qaadanaynaa cashar oo ku saabsan happy feeling words. Okay? These are words which have the same meaning as happy. Happy waad garanaysa macnihiisa waa farxad. So there are many words that show or that indicate that you are happy or that person is happy. Maxaa jiro words ama erayaal jiro oo hal macno leh oo macnihiisana u dhigan tahay farxad. Marka inshallah today we're going to use those words. I'm going to give you a dictation. I'm going to tell you the word. I want you to write it down in the comment section. I'm going to give you 10 words. The first one kan koowaad example kiis xagga aan ku qoray delighted. Okay? Delighted waa macnihiis maxaa waay happy waa farxad. Marka inshallah all the words erey kasta aan idin yeeriyo inshallah waa isku macno. They have the same meaning. Happy. The only thing waxaan kaliya u baahnaa muxuu yahay waa inaad maxay erey kasta aan idin yeeriyo inaad qortid qaybta comment section ka aad ku qoraysaa. Laakiin intaan bilaabin waxaan u baahanahay your name and where you're watching the lesson from. Intaan casharka bilaabin waxaan u baahnaa magacaaga oo saddexan iyo xagaad ka daawanaysid casharka. So let's start inshallah billah ta'ala. I'm going to use my phone, okay? I'm going to use my phone. When you yerina, I'm going to dictate or I'm going to pronounce it 3 times. Saddex jeer aan yerina erikasto. So try to open your ears. Isku day inaad maxay dhagaha furtid and make sure you listen carefully, okay? It's very easy, it's very simple, okay? So delighted waan qoray. So that's kaas one order money. Number 2 haddaan u sii socdo, okay? Number 2, okay, let's go. Number 2 maxaan dhihi karaa glowing. Okay, number 2 how? Glowing. Okay? Glowing. Well, number 2. Okay? But I'll give you 5 seconds. Inshallah. Write it down in the comment section. I'm going to be waiting when it's glowing. Okay? Glowing. Glowing. Okay? So that is number 2. So make sure you write it down in the comment section. Kusoo qor qaybta comment, okay? So very easy. Glowing. I hope inaad qortay maxaa filan inaad qortay. So I'm going to write it down here, okay? Glowing. Glowing. Saasa loo qora glowing, okay? Glowing maxaa waay qurux ama waa shidan tahay oo kale. Okay? So most of the times you are glowing or he is glowing or she is glowing. Okay? Maanta waad nuuroosa. Glowing waa nuur, waad nuuroosa ama waad faraxsan tahay u dhigan tahay. Okay? So glowing waad nuuroosa. Okay? So that's number 2. Number 3, I'm sii soconaynaa. Number 3, okay? So I'm going to tell you number 3. Number 3 is thrilled. Number 3 is thrilled. Okay? Thrilled. That is number 3. I hope inaad qorosid. Write it down in the comment section. Qaybta comment-ka ku soo qor. Okay, don't forget your name and where you're watching the lesson from. Magacaaga iyo xagad ka daawanaysid, okay? All right? So, what was number 3? Number 3 maxaa waay? Thrilling. Okay? Thrilling. Okay? So that is number 3. I hope inaad qortay. So, I'll tell you the right spelling. Thrilling. Thrilling. Okay? That is number 3. Okay? Thrilling. Okay? Let's continue to number 4. Number 4 on sii soconayna inshallah. Let's continue to number 4. Okay. Number 4, radiant. Radiant. Very easy. Radiant. Okay? This is number 4. Well, very easy. Write it down in the comment section. Try your best. Isku day inaad qortid. Okay? Maxaa dhihi kartaa I am delighted. I'm glowing. Okay? I'm thrilling. Okay? Nasir is glowing today. Nasir is glowing today. Our cameraman, his name is Nasir. Just so that you know. Nasir is glowing. Okay? Okay, so you can also say you are radiating or you are radiant. Radiant. Try to write it down qor with same meaning. All of them shows that you are happy. You're showing that someone is happy or you are happy. Okay? Radiant. Okay? I hope you're not qortay. Radiant. All right? So, this is how you spell radiant. Radiant. Okay? Radiant. That is number 4. Radiant. Okay? So, write it down. Okay? Let's go to number 5. Number 5, you can say, it's very easy. Cheerful. Okay? Cheerful. Very easy. Okay? Cheerful. Write it down. Cheerful. All right? So, we are almost done. Half ka koowaad waan dhamaynay, half ka labaad aan sii aan galaynaa. Marka, make sure you are paying attention. Dhegtaada fur. Okay? Cheerful. Okay? I hope you're not qortay. I gave you enough time. If you're right, you're right. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Don't worry. Wax ceeb ma hadaad wax qalatid. Cheerful. Cheerful. That's how you write cheerful. Very easy. Cheerful. Okay? Now before we continue the lesson, intaan cashirka sii wadin. If you're learning something from this lesson, hadaad cashirkan aad ka faa'iidaysanaysid ama aad wax ka baranaysid, make sure you share with your friends and family, asxaabtaada family-ga la qaybso, so that they can also learn. Okay? So they can also learn. Okay? So this is good for you and your friends and your family. Okay? So remember, sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. All right? So that is number 5. Number 6, let's go to number 6. Number 6, blessed. Blessed. Okay? Very easy. Blessed. Qof kasta ku dikro, maxuu dhihi karaa, how are you? Say time. Maxaa dhihi kartaa? I am blessed. I'm cheerful. I am radiant. I feel radiant. Okay? So number 6, blissful. Oh, sorry. Number 6, blessed. Okay? Number 6, blessed. Okay? So, I hope you're not qortay. Let me show you how to write blessed. Okay? That's how you write blessed. That is number 6. Number 7. Okay, let's continue with number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Confident. Number 7. Confident. Okay? Confident. maxaa waaye qofka kalsooni markuu leeyahay. I understand. Ha isku khaldin. Waa saxsan tahay. Confident waa kalsooni. Confident waa kalsooni. You're right. But it also has another meaning. Macna labaad uu leeyahay oo maxay happy. Qofka markuu kalsooni leeyahay ama kalsooni isku qabo, qofkaas wuu faraxsan mar kasto. Okay? So confident. That is number 7. Number 7. Okay? Number 7. Confident. I hope inaad qortay waa xafin inaad qortay. So I'm going to write it on the board. On ku qora. Confident. All right? Okay? Confident. Number 8. Number 8. Let's go into number 8. Number 8. Euphoric. Very easy. Euphoric. Okay? It's happiness. Dadka qaar maxay dhahayn, I'm in a euphoric state. I'm in a euphoric state. Okay? That is number 8. Euphoric. Okay? So I hope you're not qortay. This is tricky. Okay? Euphoric. Sasa ako qoraysa euphoric. Iyaad ka bilaabaysaa. Euphoric. Okay? Either was silent. But waa la qoraa. That is number 8. Number 9. Let's go to number 9. Okay? Number 9, we will say, okay? Number 9, content. Okay? Content. Content. Okay, so that is number 9. I hope I'll just tell you 3 times. I'll pronounce it 3 times. I want you to write it down in the comment section. Content. Okay? So let's continue. Content. Again, very easy. Number 10. Okay, the last one. Okay, the last one. Gratified. Okay, number 10, gratified. That is the last one. Number 10 is very easy. All of these words have the same meaning. Showing that you're happy, or telling someone that you're happy, or you're telling someone the state you are in. Xaaladaad ku jirtid. Okay, xaalad faraxsan hadaad ku jirtid, you can use any of these words. Okay, gratified. That is the last one. Gratified. Okay, so this is how you spell it down. Xafil inaad qoratay gratified. Okay, that is how you write gratified. So that is the end of our lesson. Casharkan xaggan aan ku joojinayna. If you know haddaad garanaysid erayaal kale oo ku saabsan happiness, write down in the comment section. This is only 10. Way ka badan yihiin 10. Maxaa jira maybe 20 to 30 aan garanaa. Maybe, but write down in the comment section. Okay, that is the end of our lesson. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.